Bye na!
Happy birthday, Ivy. Even though you stressed me out and you banged my head, I still love you. I love everybody here.
Papa!
I get
Erica! The celebrant wants me to have message. Message. Thank you. Mommy, go. Yeah, right, Mama. Oh, congrats na.
Thank you po.
Sabay na.
Never change.
And never, ever.
Never!